Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Patience is a virtue not everyone possesses. I saw what was coming and slowed way down to give the biker room to swerve around the idiot if necessary. Escalade evades cops in Brooklyn.
Wow. This is crazy.
Stop moving! Stop moving!
Crazy, man. Crazy shit.
Unfortunately, the idiot behind me does the same thing.
Oh!
Shit! He hasn't even realised.
Probably not.
I think somebody going the other way would have
Whoa, they probably didn't see it.
might send that in.
Might be got it.
Oh, this guy's going to get it.
Yeah.
Good on him. Good on you, mate.
Not really sure what Gramps was doing here.
A few moments later.
Minding my own business, and this happens. Is this how to use a roundabout? This idiot merges across multiple lanes without even signaling. This is why it's important to brake early and not end up in a situation like this. I hope they weren't 5 seconds late to work.
I think they can turn this into a turn lane or something. What the fuck did you do?
We're going, my birthday August 3rd.
That's 1 week for today.
Is it? Oh yeah. Yeah, 1 week, yeah. On August 2nd, on the 2nd, that Friday night, we're gonna go to a, whoa, what the f.
Well, that was pretty embarrassing. Looks like a couple of road ragers were playing Mario Kart this morning. Can you guess what he was looking at instead of the road? If this was your neighbor, would you ever bring this up to them if you saw them afterwards?
Twenty minutes later.
Main characters passes everybody, casually escaping death. Mission failed successfully. He cut me off without getting into an accident, only to go the wrong way.
He took a step toward his father. I was born. I lived. I am guilty of being a dwarf. I confess it. And no matter how many times my good father forgave me, I have persisted in my infamy. This is...
I don't know how they didn't hit anyone. Several near misses here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.